the recording on Karana. I forgot to put the recording actually. Right. Alright. Geetaka කියලා තියෙනවා Star Labs group එකට add කරන්න කියලා මම add කරන්න පුතේ. Right. Anyway, so like I was talking about this spam folder. So then ඔයගලන්ට පේනවා ඇති. Like I was getting a lot of spam emails from Paradise Island, Safari, Lanka Hospitals, SLT POTV, Shah Web Design. So likewise. So these are the marketing materials. ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් ලෝකේ බොහොම ප්‍රසිද්ධ දෙයක් තමයි email marketing කියලා කියන්නේ. So email marketing means when they are like having a new product. Previously, they are going to broadcast it from the TV or send it us from the newspaper. Likewise, they inform the general public we are having this kind of a product or a service. But nowadays, since this is emails and messages and all these things are being populated. පුතේ තප්පරයක් ඉමු අපි සමහර අයට මතන ටෙක්නිකල් ඩිෆිකල්ටීස් එනවා මේ ලොග් වෙන්න බෑ can හරි right සනිල්ලා right okay right okay so nowadays what they are doing is they are having this very big database of people or like the general public. So they will be able to send the emails to the people to get to know about their product. So the only disadvantage is since they are like sending a lot of graphical things. Advertisement high resolution graphics වලින් හදලා තමයි අපිට send කරන්න. එතකොට email එක ප්‍රමාණයෙන් ලොකු වෙනවා. Right? So when it is big in size, when the email is big in size, the email service provider sees it as a suspicious email. මොකද virus එකක් නිසා email එකක් ප්‍රමාණයෙන් විශාල වෙන්න පුළුවන්. So that is why they are sending those emails into a folder called spam and alerting us, okay, there are these emails. If you really don't know who the sender is, please don't open, just delete those things. Right? ඒකයි ඒගොල්ලෝ ඒක spam එකට යවන්නේ නැති inbox එකට යවන්නේ නැතුව. Because if we received it in the inbox, we are just going to open it without a doubt. Right? So that is why things are being sent to the spam folder when the mails, some emails are like seen as a suspicious things. But even I am not going to open these things as well because I really don't know whether it is sent by these, even though they are having these names, I really don't know whether confirmedly that this is sent to me by this particular organization. Then metana SLT POTV but I don't know, so I'm not going to open it. Right? ආසාවට open කරලා බලන්න ගිහිල්ලා like I really don't need to have an virus into my account. So the best practice is if you are getting a spam email and if that company is not confirming you that they have sent this email, please don't open it. Right? Because we don't know. It has a 50-50 chance. Right? ඉතින් අර අපිට ඇත්තටම කමියුනිකේට් කරගන්න ඕන තැනක් නම් දැන් උදාහරණයක් විදිහට හිතන්නකෝ අපි ආකිටෙක්චරල් ඩ්‍රොයින් එකක් ගෙන්න ගන්නවා කියලා. So architectural drawing is also a file which has a very big capacity. ගෙදරක plan එකක් අඳගෙන ගෙන්න ගන්නවා කියලා. So on that case, that particular company will inform us because we are having a service from them. We are sending this email. Check your inbox. If it is not there, please check your spam. There will be an email with this particular name. So we are given the confirmation. Okay, this spam email is sent by this particular company, so I can open it without a doubt, right? So that is the use of spam account. So normal emails will be sent into your inbox, and the things that you have sent will be in your sent folder. Composed will be stayed in the draft, and things which are suspicious will be there in the spam account. And the things we have deleted, අපි email එකක් delete කරොත්, it is going to a place called trash, right? මේක හරියට අපේ computer එකේ recycle bin එක වගේ, right? So that is a place called trash. So I'll show you inside the trash as well, right? So this is my trash. So මේක හරියටම අපේ recycle bin එක වගේ, because recycle bin contains what we deleted, and if we delete from the things from the recycle bin, it will get deleted permanently. And the speciality of the email trash is that they are keeping the emails which you have been deleted, and they are keeping it for 30 days, right? Here you can see, right? Messages that have been in trash more than 30 days will be automatically deleted, right? එතකොට ඒගොල්ලෝ දවස් 30ක් තියාගෙන ඉන්නවා, 30කට පස්සේ තිබුණොත් ඒව automatically ඒගොල්ලෝ delete කරනවා. So I generally clean my trash, right? Here it says there are 299 mails, right? Now if I take the oldest email that I was keeping, it is from May 25th. මේ කෙලවරට ආවම ඔයගලන්ට බලා ගන්න පුළුවන් date එක, right? So this is being given by the May, this is being sent by the, or like deleted by the May 25th. ඒ කියන්නේ දැනට හරියටම අරගත්තොත් මාසෙකට දවස් දෙකක් අඩුයි. දැන් තව දවසක් දෙකක් තිබුණොත් මෙයා automatically delete වෙනවා, right? Okay, so here are some extra things regarding the deleting and selecting things. In Gmail account, we will be able to select the things by using this checkbox. This will be different in the other email providers, right? But there will be this facility. If you need, you can choose it here and there. And if you need to choose it right away, all the things, if you need to choose all, you can have this selection box at the very top. So like I can click on it. So all my emails will be selected at once, right? So what you can do is, now since I'm inside the trash, I'm going to delete this. So it is there, delete forever. This delete forever is here because I am inside the trash bin, because this is already been deleted. So it is asking hari meka හැමදාටම delete කරලා දාන්න. So when once I press delete forever, so it will get deleted. So I won't be able to recover the things which are being deleted already, right? So it will take some time, so it will get deleted. Now I don't have 299 things, I'm having 250 emails in here. So if I select it again, so it is just selecting the emails which is displayed on this page. දැන් මේ page එක පෙන්නන්නේ emails 50යි එක සැරයකට, right? So it says all 50 conversations on this page are selected. So I delete it. So it's going to delete, and this number is going to change, right? So the very last number is going to show 200 after I delete this 50 emails. See, so it gets changed, right? So likewise, you can delete the things inside the trash of your email account. Even you can delete things from your from other folders as well, but those will be taken into the trash, and like I said, after 30 days it will be deleted permanently, right? Okay, so I'm going to go to the go to my inbox, and now this is something which is given by these email service providers nowadays. So they just clarify the things or like categorize the things. Like ඔයාගේ inbox එක කොටස් කීපයකට බෙදලා තියෙනවා. So I have primary things which are going to show as the important part, and I'm having a part for the my social media messages, so I can watch those things very clearly and very easily. And promotions will be sent to this place. These are the promotion which are not being directed to the spam folder, right? And updates regarding the things that I am going to use, and the forums. So likewise, you can have a different kind of things, but don't search these things in a different email provider, right? Then make a Gmail accounts වල කට්ටියට මේක පුළුවන් experience කරන්න. yahoo.com ඉන්න අයට මේක මේ විදිහට නෙවෙයි වෙනස් විදිහකට experience කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඒගොල්ලන්ගෙත් මෙහෙම tab විදිහට තමයි ඒගොල්ලොත් වෙන් කරලා තියෙන්නේ. But it's going to look different, right? ඔයගොල්ලන් දකින්න හම්බෙන්නේ වෙනස් විදිහකට. And also an email account is now providing you several different services as well. Now here I can have, I'm having this video conferencing facilities as well. Now Gmail account is giving start meeting facility. So Google Meets is the software that they are going to use. So I can connect with Google Meets using this. As well as now when you are going to if you need to start a chat, still you can able to start a chat as well, right? So this will be give me the people who are online for the moment and the previous chats that I have done. So I can pick a one. So the chat box will get open, right? These are the chats that I was doing with my sister, right? So I can send a message to her. So like for the moment, she is not available. So even I can do a video call with her, and I can add people to this group chat. So it's very much similar to this WhatsApp and Viber and all these things, right? Yes, so those are the facilities which is given by the email account for the people now, right? There are many more extra facilities. I'm not going to talk about those things because those are not in your syllabus, right? So now I'm going to show you how to compose a mail, right? කොහොමද email එකක් කියවන වැඩේ අපි කරන්න කියන එක. Right? So to compose a mail, there will be a button or a link inside your email account indicating a new mail or a composed mail kind of word. So in Gmail account, I am having this plus sign, and once I go into that, it shows me as composed. So once I click it, this particular window is open, right? So there you are having several different places. Now my cursor is at the 2 point. I think you can, all you can see this clearly, right? Please confirm me, since we are not interacting very much with the chat. Yes, like, okay, thank you, Geetika. All right, thank you, Nikini. Okay, I think you people can see this. Okay, so like this is the window that you are going to have. So in the two, the place where you are having the word to is the place you are normally going to type the email addresses of the receivers. Now you can send your email to anyone or to any email service provider's account. Or Gmail හිටියම Gmail විතරයි යවන්න පුළුවන් කියලා නීතියක් නැහැ. So you can send messages to Yahoo or to any other valid email address. So what you are going to do is you are going to type your email address in here, right? So let me use one of yours. Now, if I'm going to use this Ratnayaka Binu email address, so I'm going to type it. Now, if that email address is already there in my email list, it will automatically get sorted and show it to me. See, now this Ratnayaka Binu email address is here. So I can just click it to select it, right? Or otherwise, if I'm having my email addresses in a document like this, I can just copy those things and can paste it here, right? So those things will be uh, taken as the email address, and be careful when you are doing that. Those emails, it's better you separate those emails from a comma. I'm having a comma in these places, so it's better you have that comma, right? So again, I'll show you how, now if I put Heshani, see Heshani 2004 Kavi, gmail.com is there, right? So likewise, you can add the things. So I'm going to add all of you into the place of this. So here I have added the things to my two positions. So now, so here it shows there are these emails and 18 more. And this subject is there to indicate what is this email is regarding, right? So we can give any, it's better you like give a very short subject, otherwise it's going to be a very big one. So I'm just going to give you test message, right? So under that, there is a space which is given for you to type things. And there are many different things that you can do with this email. දැන් සාමාන්‍ය post එකක් වුණොත් ඒ කියන්නේ අපිට සාමාන්‍ය අපි ලියන ලියුමක් වුණොත් අපිට ඒ ලියුමට ඇතුළත් කරන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ පෑනකින් ලියන අකුරු විතරයි, right? But when it comes to an email, you can apply words, that means text, pictures. If you want, you can attach things. You can apply links into here. There are a lot of things that you can do, right? Even you can format the things that you have done, right? So, and again, the things that you can see here, this is called a signature. So you can set a signature like this. So you won't be able to type these like greeting things and the specification of yours all the time. It will be there when you are going to compose a email, right? So I'm going to type this is a test message for you to understand how an email is working. Right? So like an Word document, it shows me the errors. Then this කියන එක capital නෑ, so I can right click and make it better or make it correct. And again, I can select this and do the changes. I can change the my font type, right? And I can increase the font, but it's not like in the Word. I'm just giving 4 options. So like small, normal, large, and huge. So if I make it large, so it will be a larger one. And I can, let me select something not being bolded. So it's, I have selected this, right? So I'm applying the bold. So my letters have been bold and underline and italic. All these things can be done. And also they are giving me the colors, background colors and text colors. So I can change the colors. So I'm going to change this into green, and I'm going to change my background, yeah, into this color. Let's see. Yeah, it is very disturbing. right? So likewise, you can change the thing, right? And also you can have this paragraph, whether it is left aligned, center aligned, right? Only thing you have to select it first, right? You can center align the things, you can write a line and having the words and bullets, right? And you can have the indentation as well if you really need that. And there are many more facilities as well, but you can do this kind of changes. And here at the below, you are having these formatting options. That is the one that I have already that you can see, which you can see since I'm so when I'm not selecting it, you won't be able to see the formatting options by this the capital A, which is been underlined. By pressing it, you can see the you can view and unview the things. And there is this file clip thing, which is very useful, which is a very useful tool where you are going to use to attach things, or like attach documents and all these things into your email account. And remember, there will be a limit of these things, like there is a capacity limit of an attachment when you are going to attach things into your email. So if I need to attach something to an email, you can use this clip, paperclip icon, or in different email service providers, they may have a little different icon, but you can easily find the attach file icon with the compose in mail window. So once you click on it, it will open the Windows Explorer and will ask you what are the things to be attached to here. So I am selecting some resource for you. Excuse me. And there is no particular type, or like there are no any limited types to the attachment. You can attach any kind of things. So like I'm going to yeah, attach you the things. So for the moment, I'm going to attach you the grade 10 book, grade 11 book, let's say, right? And the size of it is 5,000, it's 5 MB, nearly 5 MB, right? And I'm going to take yeah, let me see, an Excel file called Basic Practical, right? And I'm going to click on the open button. So here you can see it's like Basic Practical is being attached, and I can do other attach as well. Like even I can attach more than one things at once. Like let's say data and information worksheet and grade 10 book. I have selected two of the items and I'm going to open it. So by pressing the control button, you can select more than one selection. Like I'm going to attach now these two things and say open, and it will get attached. Or else you can just drag and drop the things in here to get attached. I'll show you that as well. So I'm going to create a new Word document, which is an empty one. And let me create a PowerPoint one. Yes. Here's a PowerPoint file. So I'm going to click it and drag it. See, so it is saying drop files here. So I'm dropping it. Yeah, so they said this file is 0 bytes, so it will not be attached. See, so since you don't have any content inside it, they are not going to attach it. So they see it as a useless one, right? So I'm going to add something to here, like saying ABCD, right? I'm going to save it and I'm going to close it. Now I will be able to attach it. Let me change the name as well. Yeah, so now I'm going to given the facility to attach it, so it is being attached. And if you really need to attach a song into this, still you can do that, right? Let me see. So I'm going to take a different file format. And yeah, I should be very careful when I'm attaching the songs to you, right? Yeah, this is a good song. All right, so I'm going to drag and drop this. Let's see whether it is going to, whether it is allowing us to do. Yes, see. So the song is also being attached. So likewise, you can send small videos as well, and even some software as well. You can send it from here, right? Let me see, and I'll show you the way that you are going to send a software, because generally you won't be given the you won't be permitted to send the setups, right? Let me check a small one. Okay, what I'm going to show you, what I'm going to send you is, yeah, I'm going to send you this Filmora setup, which is the software, right? So when I'm trying to attach this, see what's going to happen. So I have taken it. My computer is experience a little slowness. Let's stay for a while. Here. So it is not been attached so far. So I'm going to take this and move it to here. Oh, it is been attached, right? Let's say whether we are going to receive any error message when we are going to send this, but because normally they are going to catch this, or like, yeah, see, blocked for security reason. Did you see that? Blocked for security reason. Why? It is because this .exe type is considered as a virus type. And virus එකක් Windows operating system එකට එනකොට ඒගොල්ලෝ එන්නේ .exe කියන extension එකත් එක්ක. Right? එතකොට ඒ වගේ දේවල් ඒගොල්ලෝ mails වලින් communicate කරන්න දෙන්නේ නැහැ, because they think this is a potential file to be a virus, so I'm not going to allow you to send, right? So what I can do is, here is the trick, right? Now, don't use this to send viruses, right? Right? And what I can do is, let's see whether this is working, because this is the way I have sent things previously. Now I'm going to click on the this setup file, right? And I'm going to change the extension. This extension is the problem, right? So I'm going to change the extension as ABC. And once I press yes, the message will be given. Okay, you are going to change the extension. This won't act properly, right? Or like the execute properly. Then I'm saying yes. So now it is Filmora setup something something dot ABC is the extension. Now I'm going to attach this. See whether it's going to work. Previously it was working. If they haven't updated their security things and all the algorithms, this should be allow you to do. Right, so it is being attached as you can see. Let's see whether it is going to, yes, still it's blocked. Now they have upgraded for a better way. Right, let me see, this help is going to help us anyway. File type blocked. Here, yes. Yes. And let's think about the other one as well. I'm going to compress this, right? Now you can do it, send to compress file folder, right? So it will create a zip file, right? So this is the original file. This is the zip file that I'm going to use. I'm going to attach it as well. So it will get attached. Let's see whether it is going to give us any error message. I think they are going to, because that is why this has been blocked in this particular place. Yeah, so yes, they have been blocked. So that like now the security is very high when it comes to the emails now. So like, but there will be new ways to send these things. So likewise, you can send many different types of things with your email. So now I'm going to send this. So how I'm going to send this? Using this send button, right? I can delete this this email if I really don't need that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send this. So at your side, you are going to receive it, right? Check whether you are receiving and confirm me whether you have received it. So now it is being sent. So it says message has sent, message sent. So you can view message. Now, if I click on this view message inside my sent mail, right? See, I am on the sent now, on sent folder. So inside the sent mail, I have given a preview, right? So there is these kind of things. So you can see. Right. So I think you will be receiving an email at your end. Yes, someone has given me the confirmation, I think. Yes, I got it. Yes, Geetaka has got it. Right. I think everyone else is going to receive the same. Right. Yes, well done, well done. Right, so to which folder that you have received in your email? To which place in your email that you got? Yes, you got it into the inbox. Yes, so like now what you can do is you can reply, right? Now when an email is received at your side, you can reply. Now here you can do three things. You can do many things, but I'm going to show you what are limited things that you can do. So here in my screen, I got three separate buttons like reply, reply all, and forward. So if I press reply, I'm going to, yeah, I think someone has replied me already. Yes. So if I say reply, the I can send a reply to all these people, right? And if I'm going to forward it, so under reply, you can change the people that you are going to send this email, because everyone is going to have a reply, right? Otherwise, you can choose reply all. So it will be reply to all the peoples in here, right? And you can do the forwarding. Forwarding means you can forward this to someone else, right? Right? Even you can reply to me by using this forward thing, but the basic way, or like the general way that you are going to do is you can reply to this. Yes. So I want you to reply a message. Let's say you say thank you to me, right? Let's see how it's going to happen, right? So everyone, please reply. Let's see how the reply messages are going to have. Yeah, hey Shani, I will send it to you again. Hold on. Yes. Geetaka has replied me. How about the others? Try to reply it. Hey Shani, hold on. I'm going to send you the email. Do is it the very same email address, right? Hey Shani 2004 Kavi. This is the one I am with me, which I am with me. Right, hey Shani, I have forward this, and let me see. So this is the original message. So Geetaka has responded to me. So later I have forward the message to Hey Shani again. Who else has been? Oh yes, let's see, let's see. Yes, Sumit has responded to me. How about the others? Right. Okay, Hey Shani. को अनेक कटिया reply करे नहीं मत. Yes. Now, if you really didn't get how the reply is done, what you are going to do is when the at the receiving end, there is something called reply with this kind of icon, right? I click in that. Yeah. So Minaya has sent and reply to me. Yeah. So see, Minaya Ratnayaka has sent it separately, right? So like using the forward option. Right. I got another reply. Yes, Kushi, I got your reply as well. Right, good. So likewise, you can now do the replying and forwarding part when it comes to an email. So you know how to deal with that as well. Yeah, I'm going to show you another thing when composing how the things can be sent. Right now, yeah. So I'm getting the replies. I'll show you the replies at the end of the session. So I'm going to get another compose email thing, right? Here I'm not going to attach things, but I need you to show things to you people how these things are work. So under my the place where I'm going to type the email addresses, there is something called CC and BCC at the right hand side, right? Let me get the magnifier to you for you to see it clearly. See, yeah, there is something called CC and BCC, right? So CC is stand for carbon copy, BCC is stand for blind carbon copy. Now there is a difference between the CC and BCC, right? So it is there in your book as well, right? Now if you do some if you choose someone to send, or like there will be a person who is mainly receive the document that I am going to send. කියන්නේ මම මේක ඇත්තටම යවන්න ඕන කෙනා, හරියටම receive කරන්න ඕන කෙනා. Let's say I need to send an email to this email account. So I am placing that email address in the to position. Then I am click on the CC, right? So it will be given me another line, and I need to inform this email to these three people, right? So I'm pasting it here. So that means I am sending the email to this particular person, and I am informing these people. The CC is the carbon copy. That means a copy will be sent to the people. Like there is no a big difference that I am sending this, having these email addresses on the very same place, but this indicates the major receiver, or like the main receiver is this is the person who is indicated on the two position, and the others are like informed this kind of email is sent to this main recipient, right? So that is why the carbon copy is there. So that එක හරියට දැනගැනීමේ පිණිස වගේ, ඒ කියන්නේ අපි ප්‍රධාන කෙනෙකුට යවනවා carbon copy එකේ ඉන්න කට්ටියට කියනවා, right, I have sent this email to this particular person, so you get to know, right? ඔගොල්ලෝ දැනුවත් වෙන්න මම මෙහෙම එකක් යවුවා කියලා. Now this blind carbon copy, BCC, is to give the details in a secret manner. ඒ කියන්නේ මම දැන් මෙතන ඉන්න ඊළඟ තුන් දෙනා, right? අරගෙන BCC දැම්මොත් මේ BCC recipient blind carbon copy එක ගාව මම mention කරන recipients ලා ටික, they will have this email and they can see for whom they have this email has been sent. But the people who is in the to position and the CC position will not be seen these BCC copies, right? ඒ කියන්නේ BCC කලේ කාටද කියලා ඒගොල්ලන්ට හොයාගන්න බෑ. to position එකේ ඉන්න කට්ටියටයි CC එකේ ඉන්න කට්ටියටයි BCC කරලා තියෙන කාටද කියලා හොයාගන්න බෑ. නමුත් BCC ඉන්න කට්ටියට 2 and CC ඔක්කොම ටික visible වෙනවා, right? Okay, so now I'm going to put these people hold on, I'm going to separate things. I'm going to put these three people in here. I'm going to have these people in the blind carbon copy, right? Okay, so let's see how the things are going to work, right? I just having the you can send a message without a subject as well, right? But it won't make any sense, right? And I'm going to right, yeah, hold on. Right. So I'm going to send that. Now you have to reply, or you have to tell whether you have received, how you have been received. Now, who are the people that you can see, right? It's better if you can take a screenshot and post it in the chat, or like send it to me so people can see. Okay, now I have sent the email. Let's see how it's going to happen. I'm going to my sent folder, right? And I'm going to see the things, how it's going to happen. So these are the people. Okay, now in the chat, yeah, Binu, are you available here? Yeah, Binu is there. Okay, Binu, tell me uh, who are the recipients that you can see in your email address, in your received email address. The email address what receive you can open the email address and you can see for whom that you have sent this email, or like you can see it here, right? Click on the place where you have your name, right? Yes, well done, Binu. Right. Okay, people, these are the email addresses which is taken by the Binu. So I'm going to show it to you now because my chat is not visible to you. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it here, right? I'm going to take a new, right? Okay, these are the people who can see inside the, right, okay. Geetaka, you can see the chat box. Right, okay, no problem, no problem. Then you can see. Okay, so I have taken this into the Word document as well. Now, these are the people who has received the email, or like where the Binu can see. Now, let's go to the sent mail, right? So inside the sent mail, I'm going to have the list. See, it is the very same list which is in the CC. See, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there are 6 email addresses. Binu can't see what is inside the BCC. And the people who is having this email address, Chintaka, Dilina, Geetaka, Minagi, Minayat, sorry, I can't get the name, and Senulya. Just confirm what are the email addresses that you are having? Yes, let's see what's going to be there. Geetaka, what you can see with your email. What are the email addresses that you can see? Yes, Geetaka has sent me a screenshot. Yes, let me see that. Yes, here it goes. See, now these are the people that he can see as well. Who are the things? Ratnayaka Binu is the main recipient, right? So these are the emails. Now me is Geetaka. and these are the emails that he can see. See, so those are the email addresses which was there at the CC part. මේ තියෙන ටිකම තමයි ගීතකේ තියෙන්නේ. So for all other people, all other recipients who in the CC category can see each other, but you guys can't see the people who have mailed as BCC, right? These people. මේ කට්ටියව ඔයගලන්ට පේන්නේ නැහැ. Now these are the people with the BCC. All right, now BCC people, can you send me a screenshot or email addresses that is visible to you? Yeah, Geetaka, what I can't get what you have said. In this, we can see the full means. You mean the BCC people are also visible? Oh, hold on. Yeah, Heshani has sent me the things. Let me check about that Geetaka's one. Yeah, Geetaka, still it is 2 and CCs, right? Not BCCs, Puta. 2 people and CC people. BCC blind carbon copy එක යවපු කට්ටිය නෑ. Is that clear, Geetaka? Yeah, now what Heshani has sent me, Netasa also sent me a screenshot. Let me see that as well. Heshani has sent me the people that she can see. So she can see the entire people. So like people who have CC'd and people who have BCC'd, right? And can anyone else send their receiving as well? So this is Heshani's. Heshani is a BCC one. So what Heshani can see is all the 2 people and CC people and herself. But can Heshani see the other BCC people? BCC කරපු අනිත් කට්ටියව Heshaniට පේන්නේ නැහැ. Right? Heshaniට පේන්නේ 2 and CC කට්ටියව විතරයි. So BCC කරපු අනිත් කට්ටිය Heshaniට පේන්නේ නැහැ මං හිතන්නේ. එහෙම නේද Heshani? Yes. So Netasa, for Netasa, this is her screenshot. See? So this is a BCC one. So she can see the main recipient and the CC people and herself. That's all. අපි BCC කරපු මුළු ලිස්ට් එක මේගොල්ලන්ට පේන්නේ නැහැ. Right? Okay, so what is the conclusion that we can see? The person who is on the 2 position, 2 කියන තැන අපි ලියන email address එකේ කෙනාට, he can see herself and the the CC people self as well. Amalangada. Right? Hello. Right, and right, and the people who were mentioned in the CC position, carbon copy තැන කෙනාට, he can see the main recipient. 2 කියන එකේ තියෙන කෙනාව ලියන්න පුළුවන්. And the BCC, the people who are in the BCC. Sorry, people who are in the CC, right? Blind carbon copy එක යවන කෙනා, he can see the blind carbon copy people can see the 2 people and the CC people. But 2 people and CC people will not be informed that this is sent to these particular blind carbon copy people. Right? Is that clear? Yes, people, give me a reply. Clear the kattiyata me man kiyena වැඩේ. Right, good. No. Yeah, මම ආයෙ සැරයක් ඒක recap කරන්නම්. 2 එකේ ලියන කෙනාට 2 එකයි CC එකයි පේනවා. CC එකේ ලියන කට්ටියට carbon copy කරේ කාටද and who is the main recipient they can see. And BCC කට්ටියව 2 එකටවත් CC එකටවත් visible නැහැ. BCC people cannot be seen by the main recipient as well as carbon copied people. For BCC people, the BCC recipient can see herself or himself and the people who are in the 2 position and the CC position. BCC එක ඇතුළේ emails කීපයක් තියෙනවා නම් they can't see each other. දැන් BCC එක ඇතුළේ ඉන්න කාටද කොමගේ BCC කට්ටිය? Let me take the BCC recipients. Right, then මේ list එකේ BCC එකේ ඉන්න හේෂානිට inform වෙන්නේ නැහැ මේක send කරා කියලා මේ මදුනි පෙරේරා කියන address එකට. එයාට inform වෙන්නේ නැහැ හේෂානිට යවුවා හරි නැත්නම් මේ අනිත් කට්ටියට යවුවා කියන එක හරි. Right, so that is the thing that you need to learn from that point. Now, is it clear, people? Orange. Right, great. Okay, so that is what you need to learn regarding the email. So let me refer to your note and I'll indicate what to be written on your books. So now please take your textbooks and just highlight the things that you need to copy it into your textbook. So yes, I think I have given, did I clarify the things regarding this electronic mail, what to be written on your books? Please, if anyone remember, please confirm me because I really don't remember saying. Yes, people from the last session, did I mention you the things which will be which have to be written under the electronic mail? Okay, right, anyway. Yeah. That is what I electronic mail, right? So under the, it's better you have the main subheading like using internet for communication, then have the electronic mail subheading. right? And yeah, let me see what to be copied to your place. Let me get rid of this magnifier. Yeah, copy the very first line. Electronic mail enables exchanging message and electronic mails or files between two or more people, right? And this last line, this is the cheapest and fastest communication method in the world, right? And it's better if you can draw this diagram like not like this, but as per your skills, just draw it. And as well as draw this, the structure of an email address, right? Please mark it from a pencil. And yeah, and this line at symbol separates the username and the domain name, because username and domain name is given inside your diagram. So just indicate at symbol separate the username and the domain name. Right, and let me see. Yeah. And these three lines, the email account should be open to send mail or to check receive mails. Username and a password should be entered accurately for this, and then click sign in, right? That particular part should be copied. Right, and regarding the sending an email, yeah, this is something practical that we did, so we don't need to clear the things, or describe the things that we are going to what we have practically experienced. So under the very same heading, just don't go to send in an email. So under the email, this particular electronic mail heading, copy these things this point. Emails are categorized into an email account for easy use. So it's better you indicate these things from here to here. This is from 76th page that I'm telling. Right, so it's about inbox, draft, sent, trash, spam. And these are the other words like junk is referred to the spam and all these things. Yes, Hasitma, sign in and sign up means, sign in means we already have the username and a password. Hasitma has asked the question, so what's the difference between sign in and sign up? So sign in means we already have the username and a password. So once you click sign in or with the sign in box, you are required to give this username and a password, which you have already been created. Sign up means it's kind of a registration process. අපි email එකකට sign in වෙන්න කලින් sign up වෙලා ඉන්න ඕනේ. Sign up වෙනකොට තමයි අපෙන් අහන්නේ what is your first name, what is your last name, birthday, and the email address that you are need to create, and what is the password that you are going to give. That is the sign up process. අපි sign up click කරොත් අපෙන් ඒ details ටික අහලා ඒගොල්ලෝ අලුත් account එකක් register කරනවා. So that is what's regarding sign up, which is a good question, right? So sign in, it's the process like login වෙනවා වගේ process එකක්, right? අපි username password දෙනවා, අපි already create කරලා තියෙන, so we can sign in. Sign up means it's kind of a registration process where you are going to acquire a username and a password for the very first time, right? Is it clear, Hasitma? Right, great. Okay, so yeah, so like regarding this instant message and all these things, I'm going to discuss it on the next day. So like I was planning to finish this up, but I really didn't think that email uh, uh, thing. Kushani, yes, I got the message. Do a Pascal app එක හරියට ආවේ නැහැ කියලා මම එවන්න පුතේ පොඩ්ඩක් මේ සතිය busy වෙලා තිබුණා. If you can just remind me after 11 o'clock as well. මොකද මට දැන් ආයි ටක් ගාලා පන්තියක් පටන් ගන්නවා පුතේ 11ට ඉවර වෙන්නේ. Right, people. So by next week, we are going to finish this internet lesson because we don't have any practicals to do hereafter regarding the internet. So just to clarify the things. And also, I'm going to start the next lesson as well, like the multimedia, right? And people, the thing is, by next week, we will be able to meet up, right? Now it's going to be like this. Ask from your parents and ask them to reply to my WhatsApp group, whether still they are not comfortable to send you to my place or not. මෙතනට ක්ලාස් එක කරන්න මගේ ගෙදරට එවන්න පුළුවන්ද බැරිද නැත්නම් තාම ඔන්ලයින් කරන්න කැමතිද කියන එක මට කමියුනිකේට් කරන්න කියන්න. And I will post a message as well by today evening by having the suggestions, right? So අපි හැමෝම එකගයි නම් අපි ක්ලාස් එක සාමාන්‍ය විදිහට කමෙන්ට්ස් කරමු. And people who have connected with me newly in online, if you are willing to continue with online further, I'm going to give you a separate time by asking from you people to take a convenient time for you all. So don't worry. If online people are there, so I'm going to, if online people are there, I'm going to have a separate session for you guys. And for the offline people, or that means the people who have been here, can participate in any session, right? You can ඔයගලන්ට කැමති නම් online class එකත් එක්ක connect වෙන්න. මොකද online class එක continue වෙයි කියලා මම හිතනවා. එතනට එන crowd එක අනුව තමයි මම තීරණය කරන්නේ. හැබැයි online class එක දිගට ගෙනියන්න පුළුවන්ද කියන එක මම හිතන්නේ ගැටලුවක් වෙයි කියලා. මොකද අපිට IME එකෙන් එකතු වෙච්ච දරුවෝ ටික ඒ කියන්නේ අර මට තව මගේ තව සර් කෙනෙක්ගෙන් මෙතනට now Geetaka, don't worry, I'm going to continue with that's why I'm telling it's not going to be the very same way, like the very same date and time. මම දුවලගෙන් පුතාලගේ අම්මලා තාත්තලාගෙන් උතහලා තියාගන්න convenient time එකක් මේ time එක නෙවෙයි පුතේ. මොකද මේ time එකට තමයි මගේ physical class එක arrange වෙලා තියෙන්නේ. So I have to do that class on that day if people are going to continue it on like this. Or else ඔගොල්ලෝ හැමෝම කැමති නම් මට online මේ විදිහටම session එක අරගෙන යන්න පුළුවන්. It's not going to be a problem because since it is a practical thing. ICT කියන subject එක අපිට online කරන එක අමාරු වෙන්නේ නෑ. මොකද අපි කරන්නේත් ඒ subject එක ගැනනේ, right? So අපිට practicals තියෙන්නේ, so you people can do it. අපිට ඒ විදිහට අරගෙන යන්න පුළුවන්. So just have your suggestion and I'll arrange the classes accordingly, right? මම අද හවසට අපේ WhatsApp group එකට ඔය දේවල් ටික දාන්නම්. And people who have not in my WhatsApp group, please send me a message. SMS එකක් එවන්න මට. This is or like send me a WhatsApp message. That doesn't matter. This is my mobile number. So I can connect you. මට SMS එකක් එවුවත් කමක් නැහැ. WhatsApp message එකක් එවුවත් කමක් නැහැ. මම එතකොට link එක එවන්නම්. මගේ group එකට connect වෙන්න. මම එතකොට IM එකේ ඉන්න දූල පුතාලටත් පුළුවන් කොහොමද class එක settle වෙන්නේ කියන එක දැනගන්න. So this is my mobile number and I'll the people who are in the WhatsApp group already know about this. So just give me the clarification, right? IMA එකේ අද එන්න බැරි වෙච්ච දූල පුතාලා ඉන්නවා නම් ලසාල් සර්ට ඉන්ෆෝම් කරන්න. ලසාල් සර්ගෙන් මට පණිවිඩය ඒවි කොහොමද කියලා දැනගන්න. මාත් ලසාල් සර්ට ඒ පණිවිඩය දෙන්නම්. So let's continue it as you needed, right? ඔගොල්ලෝ කැමති නම් online කරගෙන යන්න ඒ විදිහයි. භාගයක් අපේ ගෙදර ඇවිල්ලා භාගයක් online යනවා නම් මට session දෙකක් arrange කරගන්න වෙනවා. Right? ඒක එහෙමයි. කොහොමද කියලා අපි බලමු. Right? ඔගොල්ලෝ කතා කරන්න. So we'll go for the better solution by වෙන්න එපා. එක්කෙනෙක්වත් අමාරුයි වැටෙන විදිහට වැඩ කරන්න මගේ idea එකක් නැහැ. ඒ නිසා අපි හැමෝම එකතු කරගෙන වැඩේ කරගෙන යන්න try එකක් දෙමු. Right. So I'm going to end the session for the moment. So thank you very much. අද කියලා දීපු ටික තේරෙන්නේ නැති කියලා හිතනවා. රෙකෝඩින් එකත් මම කරලා තියෙන්නේ පොඩ්ඩක් මට පළවෙනි පැය භාගෙ රෙකෝඩ් කරගන්න උනේ නැහැ. ඒක නිසා රෙකෝඩින් ටික grade 11 recordings ටික මම LMS එකේ available කරනවා. LMS එකත් එක්ක contact වෙලා නැති කට්ටිය LMS එකට username password මගෙන් ඉල්ලගන්න. right මට WhatsApp group එකේ message කරොත් මම ඊට පස්සේ personally message කරන්නම් username password කොහොමද කියලා. Right, and I'm going to do the upload the video recordings to the LMS so you can go and refer. Right, Hari, have a nice weekend. Let's see how we are going to meet, whether the physically or online. Right, Hari, parisamai. Right, bye bye people.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Pate, okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Hari. Hari Heshani.